In today's video, you will learn how to blend images in Adobe Photoshop. To begin, start by working with the main subject image that you want to blend into the background. The first thing we need to do is remove the background from the subject so it can blend naturally with the new scene. Go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the person or main object in the image and create a selection for you. Once the selection looks good, add a layer mask to isolate the subject from the original background. Now that the subject is separated, we can begin matching the lighting and colors, so both images feel like they belong together. Go to the adjustment layer icon and add a curves adjustment layer. After creating it, click the clipping icon so the adjustment only affects the subject layer underneath and not the entire project. This is important because we only want to correct the colors of the cutout subject. Next, double-click directly on the curves adjustment layer thumbnail, not the layer mask. Inside the Properties panel, click on the Auto button and then open Auto Options. Here we can fine-tune how Photoshop analyzes the image colors. Uncheck the option called Snap Neutral Midtones, then enable Find Dark and Light Colors. This helps Photoshop create more accurate contrast and color matching based on the tones in the background image. After that, click on the Shadows color box and sample the darkest point from the background image. This tells Photoshop what kind of dark tones should exist on the subject. Then click on Highlights and sample the brightest area from the background image to match the lighting style. You can also adjust the midtones by selecting a tone somewhere between the darkest and brightest parts of the background. This helps create a smoother and more natural blend between both images. You may see an option asking if you want to save these settings as default. It does not really matter for this effect, so you can choose either option. At this point, you should already notice a big difference between the before and after result. The subject should now feel much more connected to the background environment. If needed, you can still manually tweak the curves to improve the colors even more. To finish the effect, add a Color Lookup adjustment layer for extra color harmony. Choose the Crisp Winter preset, then change the blending mode of that layer to Soft Light. Finally, lower the fill amount until the effect looks natural and balanced. And that is how you can quickly color match and blend images together in Adobe Photoshop.